For over 15 years, Portable Restroom Trailers has provided the largest selection of USA-made portable restroom and shower trailers for both sales and rentals. We are the experts and voted #1 in the portable restroom shower trailers industry. You need a trustworthy company that you can depend on. Your success is our goal with our 5-star verified support so that you maximize your investment and ensure your trailer will last. The 6-station restroom with private suites has a unique floor plan, perfect for secure privacy, safety, and social distancing. The unit includes 6 unisex suites, each with a separate entrance. A private suite includes 1 water-saving flushing toilet, solid surface corner vanity, water-saving faucet, mirror, and accessory dispensers with our bonus Smarter Restroom mobile app. You deserve to have all the information and resources you need before you make a decision. Our expansive YouTube library provides video tutorials, manuals, and live chat, so we can guide you to the best solution. Getting started is easy. First, request a quote. Then we'll have a meaningful conversation and find the right trailer for your needs. Click the button below to request a quote or call us today. Top quality, transparent pricing, trusted support, Portable Restroom Trailers.